Got a who? Maybe I could do the old devil gets into my pants. Lord, I come home drunk from drinking. Yeah, old devil sitting on the edge of my bed. Lord, I come home drunk from drinking. Yeah, old devil sitting on the edge of my bed. We better take it on from top. Yeah. Lord, I come home drunk from drinking. Yeah, old devil sitting on the edge of my bed. Lord, I come home drunk from drinking. Yeah, old devil sitting on the edge of my bed. Yes, you had on them crotchless panties. Lord, the legs were spread. And I said, devil, oh, you fine, fine ass little devil. I said, devil, Lord, don't you hoodoo me. Yeah, the only thing I want, little devil, is in my BVD. That's underwear for you unaware. I love when you touch me. Yeah, and I love when you squeeze me tight. Yeah, I love it when you touch me, baby. Yeah, when you squeeze me tight. Well, the only trouble, little devil, I'm too drunk tonight. You don't get the da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. No, they don't come with that song. This one's called Phony. Your love was like roses in the morning. Your love was like sunshine in the rain. Your love smelled just like Hawaiian flowers. Your love left me nothing more than pain. I don't care now, 'cause it's too late to ever go back to where we were. But I think about you sometimes. You inside your little world. Your love was like a cold mountain river. Your heart was harder than a diamond, it seemed. You never really let me in there, so I could see inside your dream. But Dixie songs like this, they are so phony, and they're hard to listen to. So I'll do us all a favor. I'll end this one right here for you. Oh, here, this one. You gotta hear this one, dude. This is the shit. All right, this is the shit. When I tell you, believe me, it's the shit. Schwangy dangy, 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 dangy dangy, do, schwangy dangy do, not to be confused with she's my spangy dangy do. She's my spangy dangy do. She's my spangy dangy. She's my spangy dangy do. Spangy dangy do. And then there's always short song from a short-membered man. You can lump them all together, along with dreaming. And then, let's see, we got some more. I know there's more in there. Gotta just drag them on out. Oh! Charlie ain't sorry. Charlie ain't sorry. Charlie ain't sorry. Sorry for what? He was raised up by the system, raised up in the judge's robe. It was them that schooled and taught him everything he knows. But Charlie ain't sorry. Charlie ain't sorry. Charlie ain't sorry. Sorry for what? He started his own. Fuck that one all up. I have to have the words. Some of those are long, and they have to have words with them, and because I can't remember them. Wat is? Yeah. When I travel, I like to know I got my head. What is it? When I travel, I like to know I got my life is down there below. Flotation device under my seat. Without it, air travel would be incomplete. Flotation device under cabin pressure. A mask will fall out of the sky. Put it on and help your neighbor. Breathe like normal, please don't cry. Vertical position for the takeoff. There's always some guy with a bad cough. Safety position in case we crash. If you want liquor, it costs you cash. But oh, there are clearly marked exits and safety cards with good advice. Generic food like pretzels and peanuts. Oh, and don't forget my flotation device. That's a sack. Let's see. Okay, yeah, here we go. I've been banging nails, making noise, stealing work from the local boys. Wait, start that one again. Here we go. I've been banging nails, making noise, stealing work from the local boys, steering clear of them honky-tonk saloons. Work all day in the hot, hot sun. Work ain't over till it's done, and the boss man gets to say that it's time to leave. Well, you may think, nah, damn. Better start that one more time. I've been banging nails, making noise, stealing work from the local boys, hanging out in a honky-tonk saloon. Work all day in the hot, hot sun. Work ain't over till it's done, and the boss man gets to say that it's time to leave. Well, you may think I'm crazy, and it just might be true. Baby, if I'm crazy over you. I can't wait to get off work so I can get off on you. You know it's true. Work all day, all day long. I can't wait till I get home. I got good loving on my mind. Put your party dress on. Ah, dude. That's it. I guess I'm done.